Day? Is it your birthday? Yeah. It's Dada's birthday and Seki's birthday. It's Dada's birthday and we're celebrating it here at the zoo. Hi.
Okay. Say hi.
Say hi. Hi. Hello. Ay, hello, sabi naman yung galing-galing naman. Ang ganda ko.
It looks like he's deaf.
Ay, ulitin mo. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Dada's buying something. Go.
Say thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, see, there's a turtle. The turtle.
Oh, what's that?
Tortoise. Is a African spurred Thai tortoise. Kala nyo ha? Kala nyo, hindi ko alam ha? Wow. Of course, father. Alangan naman.
That's the cave then.
It's not a snappy turtle. Don't you think it's a snappy turtle? Oh, look, it's a
Okay, we have 1 hour. Raccoon? We have raccoon at the backyard city. No, you
No,
feed it.
you need to feed it.
Oh, parang sayang naman yung banana. Like, you give it to mommy na lang. Wow! Hi guys! This is a ringtail lemur. Lemur.
Beaver.
Like water. Ang dami naman. Mas maganda dito kaysa sa Toronto Zoo. Puro talog yung hayop dun eh. Na-try? Let's go. I said, oh no.
There's a ballerina.
What are you doing? Ito naman ay nag-i-emo siya. Ay, hindi naman. Ay, hindi naman pala.
If you wanna feed it, huwag mo ilalagay lahat, Yuan.
Paano ba? Diyan nyo daw ilalabagay?
Ganito, sige oh.
We're gonna feed. See? That's how you feed the monkeys, anak.
Oh, you got it.
What?
Hindi naman sila kumakain.
Nakabusog pa sila.
Nakita niyo.
Sino?
Ay, sus.
No. Don't feed yet, anak. He saw it, but he got it.
Oy, pagpalastog na mo siya ka. Oh!
Yuan na yuan.
Galing.
Ay, magagawa na sila. Okay.
Hop!
He's getting and growing.
Wow!
Banana? Yeah, they were like banana.
No? Wag.
Uy, nagtatampo siya. Ang sexy naman niya naglakad. Nakita niyo? What are you doing there? Kumukuha siya ng Tupperware.
Yung kalaban niya yun, yung sneaking part.
Ay, nag-uusap sila. Grabe, may pa-meeting.
Tara, let's go.
Hindi pa nagre-wrestling. Yung pa sila, nagre-wrestling sa room.
This is my second favorite. Yan yung mama nila. Tapos ano, kaya sa white. Kasi nawala na yung pink niya. Dahil diba, sabi ko, pag dyan, pag yung pink na pink, ay virgin pa yan, single pa yan. Maganda pa siya. Kaya yung white na yun yung nanay. Siya na yung nag-alaga sa mga yan.
We need to feed them some minerals and vitamins.
So, let's go guys.
Oh, this is a pig.
Mapig naman, daming ganyan sa bahay natin.
Hi, Yuan. How are you? Hi, Yuan.
Ay, dami pala.
More Yuan.
Dami pa. Hi, sister. Hi, sister. Carrot ba kinakain ng pig?
Far.
Bakit ako rice naman kinakain?
Sabi ko po, kamukha po niyo. Sabi ko ba?
Ano ba po kinakain nila?
Ako rice kinakain ko. Ano ba kinakain ito?
Veggie.
See, they're feeding the... Uy. Ay, wag mong takutin. Wag mong takutin. Sira ulo.
Bigyan ka ng tablet.
Wag na.
Nagugutom.
Bigyan mo na. Kamalayo.
See? We're going, sisters, brothers and sisters. Halika na yo! Mahal na mahal talaga ni Iwan yung mga kapwa
I
niya.
started eating.
Family gathering.
Tiger, listen. Go. Tiger, go.
Yes! Ang ganda dito. See that? This is a white tiger, guys. Ewan ko kung anong kwento, bakit siya pumupasok. Can you explain why it's white? Hindi siya orange? Because
Nawalan po ng paint si God.
naubos. So, yeah. Ang cute.
They're sleeping. Lalaki.
This is my father.
Tingnan mo yung ano nila.
Eat. Jenny.
Dada and Sak is gonna feed the...
So it will.
Oh no, sarap! Good job, kuya.
Hop.
Wow, yung set, hindi na kain.
Oh. Come on. Come on here.
Sarap.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Tingnan mo yung ano ng tiger. Oh.
Say hi, parrot.
Colorful.
Can we see pictures either?
No.
What though?
Wala sila. Ayun, nandun. They're up there. Dun.
Cleo! I saw a carrot. I'm gonna eat this myself. I want to try feeding it.
Move.
Oh, yung kamay mo, Seki.
Yung haba din ng neck mo.
Ito, video ka. Ano kung video ko tayo?
Mo.
Ew!
Kuya, give kuya. Ikaw din, mahal.
Okay, go. Up. Up. Like that.
Wow.
Charlie.
Karot. Ano ka ba? Hindi. Saan zebra, anak? Oo, wala yan sa Toronto Zoo. Later, anak. We'll watch this first.
Bakit kung hindi sila wala, bakit dinagaling na ako?
Ha? Zebra. You wait for us, anak.
Zebra right there.
Ang ganda dito. Ang daming, mas maraming animals dito.
Zebras. Hillside there. Seagulls are there.
Kaya,
Oh, mine's eating grass.
yeah.
It's gonna eat it. Yeah. Yeah, it's a carrot. Mama. Mama, my basket.
Nakadada, anak.
There you go. Go throw it. Throw it.
Hindi abot, nak.
You want a carrot? No.
Do you hear the lion?
And what's that sound? Ano tomato? Ang daming tiger dito.
Roar.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, wait anak, tiger muna because I know. Wait for it. Ang payat ng layo. Ang payat daw ng layo.
That's a sneaky lion.
That's mommy.
Seki, look at them. in the tree.
Tulog yung isa, ano?
Quiet.
Tulog. The lion is tulog. Bayat siya. Bayat siya. Ayun
How
na.
many? 1, 2,
Ang layo kasi eh.
3 of them.
I can see it.
Ang layo eh.
One.
My
Count.
kangaroos right there in that cave.
And in the house there, inside the door. Yeah, he's there. Hmm.
Oryx po yan, Ren.
Hmm?
Oryx. Bakit hindi ka with him?
It's a T-Rex! It's a T-Rex! Sige!
I saw a peacock. A peacock. Not peacock. Peacock.
This is a...
Oh,
Take a picture of his butt.
Ang lalaki nila, oh. Totoo. Mahal, ako din. Yan. 4 kambing na dyan. I have lots of kambing. This is alpaca. They're so bantot. Dada said. Hi. Dada said, you're bantut. Yes. They are sad.
Sek.
Ma, what did they eat?
Grass. They only eat grass. See? Hi. Oh, not too close. Not too close.
I'm not too close.
Eh, baka dilaan ka.
Big throw. Puro lalaki din yung ano nito.
Porcupine.
Porcupine. Pakakainin nyo yan?
Carrots. Carrots.
Oh,
Carrot.
Dada's feeling it.
Can I feed it?
Ayun yun, lumipad yung turo.
Kinain ba niya
Give
naman?
me it. Come on, give me it.
Ang lalaki nila. Grabe.
Yeah.
Nakita ko lang yan sa video na
Ako
Blippi.
ka mga tama. Kakainin ko ito mamaya.
Okay. Ano ba ipipit mo dyan?
I'll feed.
Carrot.
Oh, bilis.
No. What?
Ay, hindi niya yata nakita, anak.
Huwag mo pa kainin ng ganun, Johan, dahil... Ano yan?
Ano ba yun? Ano
Karne
yung brown
yun.
na yun? Parang,
Ano? Light now.
oh my goodness. Close your eyes, Siki. What the? Really? Ka-birthday mo? Tsaka.
Come on, let's go.
Ma, they're waking up.
No, they're just...
She's kissing and he's waking him up.
You're manyak, ha? Who's this? Baka nasasarapan na siya. What the heck?
No entry.
Cougar, ha? Cougar are so bad. Let's go, anak. Not for kids. Libre. Libre porn, guys. Tuwan-tuwa si Yuan, no? Si Yuan talaga.
Si Yuan
Ito lang papanoorin niya sa YouTube channel ko, eh. Ha? Ano? This is a white lion. Tulog. Nakakainis naman itong mga lion. Laging tulog. Ha? They're always tulog, no? Parang all the zoos in the world, they're sleeping. Ay, ang laki niya. Hindi naman. What happened? Ha?
Ang ganda yung cartoon.
Parang hindi siya mapakali.
Parang ako.
Ha? Parang ikaw. Sige. Parang sila. Si Yuan daw, oh. Di mapakali siya, oh. Ginagawa niya. What? Uy, uy, sus.
What do we...
Bilhin ko pa ng cone.
Diyos ko. Ang gulo niya, ha?
Hindi po nakita yun.
Leopard.
Ngayon, hindi niya tapunan ng ganito. Ito nga yung pagkain niya.
Kanya na, ganda, Jay, kanan na. Oo nga, kinain niya. Gugutom siya. Ha?
Yung mga pellet.
O, bigyan mo papatingin. I-focus mo nga dito. Okay, Dada will feed them.
Oh, sige.
May isa pa pala dun, tulog. O, see? Gustong gusto niya, oh. Ang ganda niya.
Then we stop.
See? Uy, thank you, Dada. See? Gutom lang pala siya kaya hindi siya mapakali.
Alam niyo ba kung saan kinuha?
Yeah, sa cougar. Yung bakit na naiwan.
On Mars?
Yan daw food niya. Okay, you feed it. Dada. Ay, hindi. Anuin mo siya, lab, kasi baka masayang lang. Hindi niya lagi nakahagis. Tama lang. Oh, very good. Oh, ikaw, anak.
Parang ganito yun.
Feed mo siya kasi gusto niya. Dito lang sa closer. Yeah.
Oh. Baka mo yun.
What did they eat?
Yeah.
See? Yan pala yung food niya talaga.
It's so good.
No?
What the? Leopard ka din? Ah, sige. Smells so good, ah. Oo nga, para siyang ano mahal, cereal. Yung...
Malas.
Gising na ang lion ko! I'm so happy. Happy. Oo. Oh, payat yun, di ba, lab? Can you feel the love? Meow! Meow! Suplado. Lahat ng lion suplado. Oh. Meow! Meow! The circle of life. Wow, siya talaga yan. O, diba? Yung pa siya nagdala eh. The circle of life.
Kala ko pag pinita ko yung ulo nila.
Oh, sige.
Hello.
Di ba
ba madumi yung mangga?
Nasot mo? Nag-jealous yung isa, lab. Kailangan mo din siya bigyan.
Here you go.
Oy! Nagagawan sila! Bigyan mo na isa. May saging pa naman sa cooler. Uy, ala, nagpatay na siya. Lagot ka.
That's the cow.
Ano yan? I can see.
Oink, oink.
Ay!
Oh, let's go.
Ito, cone nga. Ang galing ni kuya. Oo, cone talaga. Ang bat nila, cone. Yeah.
No. Wait. Okay, let's go.
Eat it.
Yeah. Gusto pala nila ng mga cone. O, kuya is feeding them too.
Oh, there's a alligator here.
Boy, ako yun na yung boy. Anak. Hindi nila sinabi. Ano siya? Secret.
What's in there?
Squirrel.
Maybe a snake.
Isusupo ba nila yun? Squirrel the squirrel.
Maybe they put a snake there.
Yeah, maybe. And then the
Yeah.
snake will will escape. Oh, squirrel nga. Tama naman si Troya. Oh, may squirrel nga naman dito ah. Oh. Parang ginaw-ginaw na yung squirrel.
Cody Mundo.
Ha?
Cody Moody.
Oh yeah, hindi pa ako nakikita niyan.
Ayun na.
Corimundi. Oh. Where is it, lab? Hindi pa ako nakakita niyan. Where are you? Meron siya bakit tulog. Wow! Kasing height ni Dada. Mas mal. Wow! Grabe. Grabe siya. Dada. Ay, napo. Nagkikidan. Wow! Hi!
Hi.
Hi! Umahal. Parang gusto niya ng food.
Sige.
Wow, what else did you eat?
Ni. Ay, parang hindi naman yan, Bet.
Wait, Dad, stop.
What?
Last one stop. Ma, what did
Ha?
they eat?
Ostrich, they eat dadas, banana, piling.
See?
Oh, see. Wow.
They want more.
Ayaw nila ng banana, lab.
Ha? Hindi?
Hindi.
Kinain nila?
Akin na nila.
Sige.
Malabak, dito pa sila tumakbo. Dito pa sila.
So, pag naglaro tayo ng Guess the Animal, mayroon na. Paano, ostrich, ostrich?
Hold.
Oh. Nain nga. Ang galing. Grabe, ang laki niya. Uy, ang laki ng swan dun, oh. Parang hindi siya swan. Emo.
Emo sila.
Emo siya, emotional.
Animal.
Ha?
Yes, this animal.
Yes, emo. Emo Terra. Wow. Wow, beautiful like mommy. Look.
Hindi mo ba nababak mo yan?
Dito.
Do not put your finger through.
Mute Swan. Mute Swan siya. Isa siyang pipi. Pipi siya, guys. Pipi siya. Kawawa naman siya.
Hindi pa gutom pa sila.
This is a scarlet macaw. Sig is looking for a alligator. Where's alligator, anak? Doon, wala. We don't know. Malay mo, meron, anak.
And there is one.
I know, but it's scary.
And then what? What is this?
Boy,
Ang favorite ko ng limit. Itong tatlo na ko itong limit.
Sila yung madami. Baka talaga may crocodile dyan.
Don't put your hand there.
It's the third lemur of 2024. Sila lang ulit. Marami sila.
Hi.
Akala nila bibigyan natin sila siguro. Siki, no more banana. Ubus. There's a Japanese toy here. Yeah, wow. Kita mo? Kaya buhat kita.
Python.
Oh my God.
It's a big one.
Sana yung ulo na? Giraffe. Okay. Take a picture. Mahal? Dito. Sa gift shop pala. Ang exit. Sige, let's go na. Tawag ko na. Bye. Bye. Dadasendang. Wow. Exit na to, exit. Go! Wow! Flamingo! Let's go!